Today on Documentify TV. Minot Air Force Base, MAFB, in North Dakota is a crucial and controversial location. It's the only U.S. airbase to house both legs of the nuclear triad. B-52H Stratofortress bombers capable of carrying nuclear weapons. Minuteman III intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, armed with nuclear warheads, spread across 150 launch facilities in a 500 square mile missile field surrounding the base. MAFB's significance lies in its role as a nuclear deterrent, a key element of U.S. national security strategy. However, its existence also raises concerns about nuclear safety, environmental impact, and the potential for accidental or intentional detonation. Here's a deeper look into the truths about MAFB. History and mission. Established in 1957 as an air defense base, MAFB transitioned to a nuclear bomber and ICBM base during the Cold War. The base has been involved in various conflicts, including Vietnam, the Gulf War, and the War on Terror. Today, MAFB's primary mission is to maintain and operate the B-52H bombers and Minuteman III ICBMs, ensuring they're ready for deployment if needed. Safety and security. MAFB has a strict safety protocol for handling nuclear weapons and materials. The base has been cited for safety violations in the past, but the Air Force maintains that its nuclear enterprise remains safe and secure. Critics argue that accidents or security breaches involving nuclear weapons at MAFB could have catastrophic consequences. Environmental impact. The launch and maintenance of ICBMs raise concerns about potential environmental contamination. The Air Force has taken steps to mitigate these risks, but some environmental groups remain critical. Community impact. MAFB is a major employer in the Minot area, supporting thousands of jobs. However, the base's presence also raises concerns about noise pollution, traffic congestion, and the potential for accidents involving nuclear materials. The future of MAFB. The future of MAFB is uncertain as the U.S. debates the role of nuclear weapons in its national security strategy. Some argue that the base should be closed due to safety and environmental concerns. Others believe that MAFB is essential for deterring nuclear threats and should be modernized. In conclusion, MAFB is a complex and controversial issue. It is important to consider all sides of the debate before forming an opinion. I hope this information provides a starting point for further exploration of the truths about Minot Air Force Base. Thanks for watching Documentify TV.